I never really bothered to look into it because Are you done? What's up, everybody? It is kind of late right now because it was hot today and I kind of slept way too much today. So if I look high, that's probably because I am from sleeping too much, you know. So as you can see, this is another box opening video. I don't know if I'm gonna work on the car later on. If I don't, well, this video is just gonna be about this. So this is I got this from eBay actually. Ever since the second track event I went to with this car, I noticed this one thing. It leaks fuel from the fuel filler neck. So I never really bothered to take a good look about, you know, trying to find out where exactly it leaks from, because it doesn't leak when the car sits, obviously. It only leaks when the car is running. Well, when it was being driven hard, and I ain't got no time to fix that. When I'm on the track, I already paid for the track entrance and the vent, and you know, I'm not gonna fix that on track. So I just spot this. Oh, Jesus Christ! This is rusty. Damn, this thing is rusty. What in the world? Okay, it's good inside, but this. Holy hell! Oh Lord! Oh Lord! This is rust, almost rust to dust. Oh my God! I don't know if I trust this. Oh hell! It might be able to work. I don't know. So as you can see, the fuel leaks from somewhere over here. And it just drips all the way down. So this is the one to the fuel tank. Also, just in case, I got this as well. So this is the hose that connects from here to somewhere. I don't know. Yeah. But man, look at this. This thing is rusty as hell. Oh Lord. I hope I can make it work. If I can't, well, probably save it just in case. Not gonna return it. Anyways, let's see if there's other parts in this box. Yep, there's this one. There's this boot. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is what you see from the outside of the car, and this is what's supposed to come, you know, things like this. Yeah. This hose, where does this hose go from? I don't know, I'll figure it out. And that's the other fuel hose. And here comes the good stuff. I always get some good stuff for myself, you know. This. So, I heard this. I heard about this multiple times from car builders, you know, drift car builders, street car builders. I never really bothered to look into it because Are you done? Bye. Happy 4th of July. Anyways. Oh, he did say he would remove all the tabs in order to fit into the box. Why don't you just get a bigger box? Like, you could cut off all the tabs. Anyway, This is the electric fan from a Mark 8 Lincoln. So allegedly, this fan can pull 4,000 to 5,000 CFM. Allegedly. I don't know what's the real number of it. So I've heard about people using it for years. Never really believed it until I saw Stefan Papadakis using this very fan, not this one, but you know, this fan, on their competition car. Obviously, well, that's, in case you don't know, that's in Formula D. And obviously, in Formula D, it requires pretty much the best of the best. And that kind of, you know, made me believe that this thing actually works. So I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully this can pull enough air to pull the 1JZ. And to pair with this, I have, hold on. This is a Mishimoto radiator for a Mark III Supra. I heard a lot of BMW guys use this, or JZ BMW guys, because the inlet and the outlet on the radiator were actually designed for 7M and 1JZ. And yeah, it's big enough, definitely. So hope it works. The one thing about this is it's very wide, so it doesn't really fit between the frame rail in front of the BMW. I'll figure that out. Probably just gonna, you know, fabricate some tabs to mount this. And with this, whoa, actually, it seems like it's gonna fit pretty good. I just need to drill this, like open this hole, open that hole, and probably make a mount, not a mount, like a shroud. Cut this open, and make an aluminum shroud, or even like using ABS to make a shroud cover this side up. Yeah, because the height is perfect. The height is perfect, just need to be wider. Titties. Or bananas. Probably can't say that word on YouTube. I don't know. I don't even have that many followers, so I'll be fine. Oh, there's one more thing I need to open up. Hold on, I'll be right back. Now this. Oof. Just got this yesterday. All the way from Huntington Beach through Suspicious Garage. And if you know about Suspicious Garage, you might already know what this gonna be. It is. Aha. It is. I wasn't expecting all this packaging stuff. It is a downpipe. Ooh, that feels good. Oh. Oh. Anyway, it is the downpipe for CT15 Turbo. That's a beautiful, I think it's made by Future Fabrication. Yep, it's made by Future Fabrication. It's a recirculating style. Try to avoid the open dump, because that's like try to avoid open dump on a stock type of turbo, because that's pretty much like a constant leak, you know. And I always go to the recirculating one, unless you have like a standalone not blow valve, wastegate. So very high quality, TIG welded, as a V-band flange. Now that's the end of the box opening. And oh yeah, I was just saying, maybe we can do some work on the 1JZ. And I'm gonna do that. But before that, just one more time. Oh, oh, this feels good. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Alright, let's get to it. Alright. So, don't worry about the exhaust manifold. I just wanted to try if it's gonna work on this type of manifold design, and it didn't really work. But I mean, it's already on, so I just left it on. This is the titanium exhaust wrap. Pretty much, the purpose of this is just to contain the heat within the manifold instead of just going everywhere else, you know. Also, allegedly, this can improve horsepowers, but that wasn't the reason I did this. I just simply wanted to cool down the engine bay. You know, I don't like driving, and you know, if you had a turbo car, you know, the engine bay is always hot for as long as it's running. So it's not something that I want. Anyways, let me put this on real quick. So the torque spec for this would be 29 foot-pounds, and I think you got to do it in the cross pattern, you know. Yeah, that's that. Let's do it. This up. Ooh, this thing's been sealed for years. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm kind of excited to finish this. It's about time, you know? Yeah. What is going on? Oh, mama. Okay, back to this. I had to fix this because the spring inside popped out. I had to take it apart and pop the spring back in. Anyway, let's keep going. I forgot where I was at. Dang. There it is. So I was about to do the... Damn, really going for it. So I was about to do the intake, but the gaskets for the intake are not metal, unlike the exhaust side. So just to be safe, it's been sitting there for like over, I think like 2 decades. 2 decades, right? Yeah, over 2 decades. So I think I'm gonna just order the new one, just to be safe, you know. And I think I'm gonna call it a night because it's already dark outside. I think it's about 9 p.m. right now. Yeah, that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.